Hey y'all, so today I am going to be showing you how I stretch my wash and go using my blow dryer. So I've had my hair up in this pineapple for about a day. I actually styled my wash and go the previous night and I let it air dry for a couple of hours, and then I ended up just putting it up into a pineapple and going to bed. And my hair was still pretty wet at that point, and I just let it dry for the entire day next day. And I'll be using my Design Essentials Agave and Lavender Heat Protectant. This is their Blow Dry and Silk Press collection, the Blow Dry and Styling Primer. Now back to the state of my hair. I did let my hair completely air dry. Now if I needed to go somewhere, like right after styling my wash and go and my hair was wet, I would use my diffuser attachment on my blow dryer to dry it. But for the most part, I usually just let my wash and go air dry before stretching with the blow dryer the next day. So I've just sprayed my heat protectant all throughout my hair, and I really love this Design Essentials heat protectant so much because it seems to be pretty moisturizing, and also I like the fact that it is water based, so it does re-dampen my hair, and I feel like that helps to give me a little bit more stretch with the blow dryer as well. So first I'm just going to section my hair off. Into workable sections. And although I did just spray that heat protectant all throughout my hair, I'm also going to reapply it to each section just before stretching with the blow dryer. I want to make sure that I avoid any kind of heat damage whatsoever. So I am breaking this section down into subsections. Now I'm taking my Conair blow dryer with the concentration nozzle attachment, and I use my blow dryer for this purpose on high speed and high heat as well. And as you can see, I'm focusing the airflow on the roots of my hair while avoiding the ends of my hair. I keep the ends of my hair covered up with my hands and focus the airflow at the roots and mid shaft of my hair. Going in to that next section, doing the same thing. And I will say that wash and goes are pretty much a go-to style for me, and every time I do a wash and go these days, I'm stretching with my blow dryer. Interestingly enough, I find that the longer my hair gets, it seems like the more shrinkage I get. Although I was expecting the opposite kind of effect. I thought the longer my hair got, the more it would kind of stretch naturally on its own from the weight of my hair, but that's not been the case. So I have really been enjoying my results with stretching my hair with the blow dryer. And although it does give me a good amount of stretch, a good amount of length, honestly, my hair still does shrink back up after about a day or so. It shrinks up, not as much as it would be had I not used the blow dryer to stretch at all, but it does significantly shrink back up. However, I've noticed that my hair retains the shape of the style that I like it to have when I'm wearing my wash and go. So I really do like that also about stretching with using the blow dryer. And I try not to concentrate the heat on one portion of my hair for an extended amount of time. I try to move from side to side to evenly distribute the hair on the section. And again, I avoid the ends of my hair because I want to maintain that super defined curl on the ends. But I'm not so much concerned about the definition at the roots of my hair. And after I stretch each section, as you can see, I am applying my satin scrunchies, and I stretch those scrunchies out down the length of my hair in order to maintain that stretch from the blow dryer. Again, reapplying my heat protectant before I go in with the blow dryer. So here I've completed the other side of my hair. Just gonna put that into bands as well. And I like to apply the bands right after I stretch with the blow dryer so that my hair can cool off and remain in the stretched state. And typically for my bang area, I don't really do a lot of stretching, if any at all, with the blow dryer for that, because I like that part to remain as shrunken as possible to give me that bang effect. So I'm just clipping that part away, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a little stretching for this segment at the top. So now I'm all done stretching with the blow dryer. I have about 5 banded sections, and like I said, I just kind of let my bangs do their own thing. I don't do any stretching for that section because I don't want them too far down, hanging too low in my eyes. And then I let that set in the bands for about a good 20 minutes before I release them. 20 minutes is usually long enough to allow my hair time to set and cool off and remain stretched for a while. And I'm just carefully removing my bands, and as I take the bands off, I do a little separating. So after I have all of my bands off, I just do a little bit of shaping, a slight amount of fluffing, and you'll notice I don't focus on fluffing my hair, and I do 0 amounts of picking my roots with the pick for volume, because as the days go on, in fact by day 2, my hair will acquire a lot more volume naturally and start to shrink up a little bit. So now I'm just gonna go in and style my baby hairs using my beloved Talia Wajid Green Apple and Aloe Hold Me Down Jelly, of course. Clip my bangs back. And I like to style my edges all the way around, even underneath where my bangs are, just in case the wind blows. I want my style to be uniform regardless. And typically I'll put a little bobby pin back behind my ear on that section of hair, and that helps me to maintain the triangular style that I like when wearing wash and goes. Pull my bangs down a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye.